Kate here at WTI, and if you've ever been stranded without gas, you know how important it is to have that backup fuel, especially on an ATV. We have been loving this gas can from GEVINFA. This particular can holds 5 liters, so this is the perfect amount to be lightweight, easy to port around, but perfect for an emergency. It comes with a locking system, so you can attach it right to your bike. It has a key, so we just stow it away in our little compartment here, and then you're good to go. It's nice and secure. It swivels around the bar for whatever direction you want. It has a nice handle at the top, but one of our favorite features is the spout. It has a mechanism that prevents it from leaking, so you have to apply a bit of pressure in order for the gas to come out. This is an awesome feature. It really keeps you from losing any gas, having any unwanted spills. This one is in the black. It also comes in red. We love the look of it and how handy it is to have. It's very easy to fill and very easy to use. It's very well made. The plastic is nice and thick. It feels like a really solid gas can. So if you're also looking to be able to bring some backup gas on the go, I think you'll really be thrilled with this one, and that's my point of view.